Okay, good people, in front of us we have May 2023, Paper 1, Timezone 2, question number 13, the last question. You may pause the video and then try it yourself before we discuss it together. Okay, as you can see, this is question about calculus. The first question, we have to estimate the area of the interval using trapezoidal rule. Now, what is trapezoidal rule? Trapezoidal rule basically means that you estimate the area as if it is trapezoid. For example, you have to make it into 3 equals interval, yeah, from 0 until 3. So from the 0 until 3, we have to make it into 3 equal interval. It means 3 divided by 3 is 1. Like this. So imagine you have 3 trapezoid, and then you calculated the area one by one, and then you add them all together. That's basically trapezoidal rule. However, in your formula booklet, you have formula for trapezoidal rule, and then we will use that instead. Now the formula is half times the height. The height is the length of this from 0 to 1, which is 1, yeah, times y0 plus yn. It's basically the first height here. What is the height here? Plus the last height, which is what's the last the height here, plus 2 times all the height between them. Okay, so let's try to put it into the formula. Okay, let's just write down here. So when the x is 0, the height is 3, so this is 3. When the x is 0.5, the height is 5.13. This one, 5.13. Oh, sorry, not 0.5. We do not need 0.5. My bad. When the height is 1, sorry, when the x is 1, the height is 8. When the x is 2, the height is 19. And then when the x is 3, the height is 42. So, for question A, I'll just do it here. The area is equals with half times the height. The height is, sorry, not the height, the interval. The interval is 1, which is 1, times the first one is 3, plus the last one is 42. 42 plus 2 times all the middle is 8 and 19. 8 plus 19. Okay, and then we will input this to our calculator. Where is my calculator? Okay, I'll move it here. So we know that half times 1 is half, which is 0.5. I'll just write 0.5 times the bracket 3 plus 42, 3 plus 42 plus 2 times come on, 2 times in the bracket 8 plus 19. 8 plus 19. Okay, close, enter. And then we got 49.5. So 49.5 meter square. Okay, that's question A. Question B. Question B, it's known that f prime x is 3x squared plus 4 in the domain 0 up until 3. Find an expression of fx in the domain of 0 until 3. So this one we have to do integration. We know the first derivative. We have to find the original function. So I'll do it here. Question B. For question B, we know that f prime x is equals with 3x squared plus 4. Now we will do integration. I'll just write it directly. So fx is equals with, remember, if it is integration, we add the power. So we will have 3x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by the new power 3 plus 4 become 4x plus c. C is a random number, we don't know, it's constant. So it means fx is equals with 3 and 3 divide themselves, cancel each other. We have x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus c. Now to find out c, we have to borrow the value from one of the table here. You can use 0, you can use 0 0.5, 1, 2, 3, up to you. But the easiest way is always use the 0. So when the x is 0, the fx is 3. So the at x is 0, fx is 3. So 3 is equals with x is 0, remember, 0 to the power of 3 plus 4 times 0 plus c. That means 4 times 0. So 0 plus 0 plus c, it means 3 equals to c. Then our fx is equals with x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus the c is 3. There you go. This is question B. Question C. Hence, find the actual area of the entire cross-section. Question C here. So the area is equals with integral. If it is the actual area, we use integral from 0 until 3. So if you look at it, from 0 up until 3, from 0 until 3, we have x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus 3 dx. So the area is equals with, now you can calculate this manually, but we have calculator with us, so let's use that. So go to math, an interval. So from 0 until 3, we have x to the power of 3, x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus 3 dx. Enter. Then we have 47.25. 47.25. Is this the final answer? No, because the question is we have to find the entire cross-section. Now the entire cross-section is divided between this one, this area. I'll make it a different color. This area. This is the one that we just calculate, which is the first one. And then this area. I'll use blue. This area. We can also calculate this as trapezoid, yeah? Okay, if we calculate it as trapezoid, we will have the base plus, the length of this, which is 3 until 6. 3 until 6. 3 until 6 is 3. And then this one, which is 3 until 4 is 1. Divided by 2 and then times the height. The height is 42. So we will end up with, let's write it as area 1, yeah? Area 1, area 1. And then we will have area 2 is equals with, the base is 3 plus the top is 1 divided by 2 times 42. This is just the area of a trapezoid. So A2 is equals with 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 42 is 84. So it means the total area is equals with 47.25 plus 84. What do we have? This one plus 84. We'll end up with 131.25. 131.25 meter square. I almost forgot that we have the question is entire cross section. So that's it for this question. Oh, by the way, Can we calculate it, instead of using trapezium, can we calculate it as, this is a rectangle, and then this is a triangle? Yes, of course. So we have area 1, using calculus, area 2 we have rectangle, and then area 3 we have triangle. That's also no problem. Okay, that's it for this question. I hope it helps you. Thank you.